Let me show you how I created this Hobby Lobby home decor. This is Hobby Lobby's for $69.99. I created mine with just a few dollars. I went to Walmart and I picked up 8 wooden dowels and they were for 42 cents. I'll also be using this ring from Dollar Tree. I'm going to start by hot gluing the wooden dowels around the inner wall of the ring. I didn't really measure how far apart the wooden dowels would be, I just kind of eyeballed it. And once I'm done, this is what it'll look like, and I've spaced them out a few inches. I'll be using some of this floral wire to tie the top ends of the dowels. Because the dowels are pretty thin, they are pretty flexible, so I'm able to gather them without them breaking. So once I gather them all together in the center, I go ahead and I tie them off with the floral wire. Next, I'm going to move in with some black spray paint and I'm going to spray my pyramid. Next, I'm going to use 2 different types of leaf garlands from Dollar Tree. I'm going to wrap around the yellow and then I'm going to go in with the orange. I'm going to take a wooden stick and I'm going to stack up some pumpkins. So I started with the biggest pumpkin and then I worked my way up to the smallest pumpkin that I had. I didn't have to buy these pumpkins because I already had them from past years. And now I'm going to put my pyramid over my pumpkins. And this is how it turned out. I really love how it looks by my fireplace. Thanks for watching. Till my next one, God bless.